Former President. Mr. President, kanina pa ho kayo tingin ng tingin sa amin, hindi kayo, lagi kayo tumitingin sa kanan. Hindi,
We will now commence the questioning. We will have to start with our Senate officers. So I now recognize Senator Jinggoy Estrada. You have 10 minutes, sir. 10 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Some questions addressed to the former President. Mr. President, kanina pa ho kayo tingin ng tingin sa amin, hindi kayo, lagi kayo tumitingin sa kanan. Hindi ho kayo tumitingin sa kaliwa. Nagpapansinan na ba kayo ni Senator De Lima?
Wala maganda dyan, dito lang.
Anyway,
Mr. Chair.
to be serious, on a
Yes,
serious
Mr.
note,
Chair,
sir.
I think,
I beg
Senator Jinggoy,
the
Senator
SP Pro
Rizal,
Tempore to lead us in setting the tone that this is not a laughing matter.
I'm
Yes,
not,
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
I was not joking.
I was just